मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा है।
Subscribe now.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. Are you all hidden? I am coming. Okay, Sonu is hiding here. I will catch her now. Gotcha! Hello!
Wow! Hey!
Candlelight Garba has made my heart so happy. What do you say, Tapu's dad?
What have you done, Daya? Hey! Hey, Daya! Daya, listen, Daya! Daya! Stop dancing in your dream and light this candle, man.
Oh, it was a dream.
Yes. Yes.
It was so amazing.
Hey, man, we are not here to do candlelight Garba. We have come here to find out why the power is out in the society.
Did a dancing ghost possess Daya auntie?
Here, take this. Huh? These mosquitoes are so annoying.
Uncle, on your nose. It's sitting on your nose, uncle. Now it's on your head, uncle.
Let's blow out the candles. Hey, Hathi, be careful, man. What is this?
Sorry, Jethalal.
It's okay, it's okay. Huh?
Hey, Pene, I wanted to blow out my candle.
Easy, guys.
How funny these people are.
Come on, since the power is back, let's go and sleep comfortably. Let's go, let's go.
Today I will have fun with the pranksters. I will definitely scare the Tapu Sena. I will definitely do it. I will shake the world.
What is this? The power went out again?
Now I'll teach them a lesson.
Looks like you all got badly scared. How did I scare you? Huh? I scared the Tapu Sena today. Got so scared just by this. When I was your age, I used to go and hide in dark places alone during hide and seek. And then there's you guys.
Popat uncle, don't laugh so much. If we had scared you, you also would have scared like us. Yes.
That's true. That's what I'm saying. I'm not a coward like you guys. Cowardly kids. But it was so much fun. Did you see Sonu's face? Cowardly kids.
Popat uncle is that Tappu Sena's next target. Now there is only one mission to scare the guts out of him.
Come on, journalist Popatlal. Today's work is finished. Ah, it's completely deserted. Looks like I got too late at the office today. Ah, what happened to this light? Seems I have to go home quickly.
Come on, Tappu Sena, let the mission begin.
Today's news is done. Just hope there is no problem overnight. Huh. Who's making this sound like a water spray? Is it a fountain? It seems someone is following me. I can hear voices, but can't see anyone. I can't figure out if this is the sound of my footsteps or someone else. Is the dancing ghost really appeared? Save me. I gather the courage to look back. What should I do? Where should I go?
Yes, Tappu Sena. So, Popat uncle, we scared you, didn't we?
Tappu Sena. I wasn't scared. I just slipped on this banana skin and fell down. Nothing else. It's not that easy to scare Popat uncle. Go now. Go to your homes. Go.
The banana peel saved you today, but we will see how long you can escape.
The kids really scared me today.
Quietly follow me. Sonu, start. I will tear your umbrella into pieces.
Who's it? Who's it? Who's that enemy with my umbrella?
Goki!
It seems it was a bad dream. Who's it? Who's it? Nowadays, even dreams feel like they are in 3D. Now this light has started turning on and off too. Let me drink some water.
The Trinity Coast.
Hey! Oh, my uncle got scared.
Got scared.
Got scared. Papa Jungle got scared. He isn't scared. He fell asleep.
What? But this was a foolproof plan.
Looks like Popat Uncle doesn't get scared for real.
I have one last idea that will definitely scare Popat Uncle. Let's scare him tomorrow. Looking at him, I'm feeling sleepy too. Let's rest today. Tomorrow we will definitely scare Popat Uncle.
But I don't know what other tricks they will try on me. These kids have scared me so much that I can't tell if the ghost is real or fake. I don't know who might appear from where. Who's it? Who's it? Who's it? I will shake the world. Who's it? Who was it? Let me quickly slip into the house. Who knows who might come from where? Let's go.
Gogi has been giving a signal.
Oh, Gogi, look, I'm giving the signal.
Now the lights have also gone out.
Double ghost attack alert!
Goli, what are you eating? Let's go.
Oh my God.
Goli is something else.
There's no one here.
Get up change. Get up change.
Yes! Mission is on! Why do these two look like third-grade ghosts from a second-hand film? Popat Uncle will surely get scared and won't laugh, right, Tippo? This is a foolproof plan, Sanu, which is also working.
Yeah.
Hey, forget the kids. These days, even the crows don't sleep on you at night. who's that? Dancing girls. I think he's gone. Let's go.
Popat Uncle's world has been shaken. Golly, go this way, right in front of Popat Uncle.
The final part of the plan.
I can't see anyone anywhere. Where did they go? Where did they go? Huh? Who just bumped into me? There is no one visible here. No. What wrong I have done to you all? Now what has happened? Oh my God, what all is going to happen to me today? This is a strange place. Oh, it's everywhere. It's everywhere. Why are these ghosts increasing in number again and again?
You are not afraid of us ghosts, so we are increasing our fear.
Oh, who said I'm not scared? I'm very scared of you all. I'm very scared. I'm very scared of every single thing. No. I don't know what wrong I have done to ghosts. Everywhere I look, I see only ghosts. Please stop. Just stop. Just stop. I haven't slept for 2 days out of fear. I don't even remember when I last ate food.
Why, Puppet Uncle? Did your world get shaken?
It means you are a little scared, right?
Little? Oh, Lord! I'm very scared of all things.
Did you see Tapu's plan? Popat Uncle's voice seems to be shaken a bit too much.
Oh man, a lot of money is being spent.
And these people are also taking a lot of time. What to do? What to do? Hey man, what have you done? Hey man, use this color carefully, hey man.
What are you doing, uncle?
Hey Tapu, we are putting on paint. In our time, we used to do it like this.
Oh, really? At our place, we wear pants like this.
Hey, not pants, paint, paint.
Oh! Hey, this way it will take 2 years to paint. Tapu can do anything. Wait and watch. Oh. Ah. Now the fun begins.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Huh? Grandpa!
Hey, Tapuda, what are you doing down there? Look at the society. It's been painted so beautifully.
Oh, what happened?
Hey, brother, nobody's home. Come tomorrow. Ah. Oh my God, my face got painted along with it. What should I do? Hey, these days even the soaps are becoming duplicates. Wow, today I even bathed from inside.
Oh, this chapati didn't puff up at all. My mother says the chapati should be puffed up. 1 second, I will go puff it up right now.
Oh wow, Daya, you did wonders, didn't you? Hey, Jatiya!
Oh my, goodness me.
Dad, what happened?
Grandpa?
Hey, Tapuda, look at this. Someone has put permanent color on my face.
Tapu can do anything. I will fix it right now.
I'll be right back.
Oh my God! Oh, Daya! What, Tapu? What is this daughter-in-law doing?
Hey, why are you guys rubbing the paint can?
Nonsense! This is not a can. This is my dad.
Do one thing, show him a horror film. When he sweats from inside, the color will also come off.
Ah. No. No. I will not watch a horror film. Ah, I know a Dr. Kabir Singh who can fix Dad's face. I know.
Okay, then let's take uncle with us.
Oh my goodness, where did the car go?
Oh, in a hurry, I forgot to tell you one thing.
What now?
I don't even know how to drive a car.
Hey, Popatan, even if you don't know how to drive, just go quickly.
How fast is this okay, uncle?
Nonsense. Get in the car, man. Hey, sit. Hey, be careful, man. Hey, be careful, man. Hey, Popat, hit the brakes. Brake. Hey, Pow, pow, vada pav. Hey, doctor, what are you eating?
This is a lollipop.
Is there another one? Doctor, sir, he got colored with paint. Please fix his face.
For plastic surgery, you have 4 options. A bucket, a mug, a table, or a chair. Then I think a bucket will be fine.
What is this? Hey, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh. Hey, what happened? I can't see anything.
Oh wow! The paint on Dad's face is gone, and a new face is on. Hello! Hello!
Today's breaking news. Look closely. This is Bucket Man, who has absconded after stealing 10 to 12 mobile
Oh
phones.
my God! Before the police arrive, let's run away with Dad.
I will shake the world. Bucket Man is here. There's a 10 lakh reward on him. Look at this.
Oh no, the doctor put his face on him.
I think something is wrong.
Yes, I'll follow him, sir.
Hey, Popatlal, be careful, brother, be careful.
What should I do? I don't understand anything.
Hey, how are you driving? Popat! Hey, Popat, what are you doing? Hey! Slowly, slowly. Hey, someone do something! Hey, someone do something! Dad is slipping behind.
Oh no! Fulfill our demands! Fulfill our demands! Fulfill our demands! Fulfill our demands!
Hey, brother, hey, move, move.
Oh, please, please! Oh, no, 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 no! Save me! Oh.
Someone will die today,
Run,
Popatla.
run, run,
Hey,
run.
someone will die.
Who's it?
It's confirmed. Something is fishy.
Hey, somebody save me.
The ghost dead!
Hey, Vinay. Hey, Popatla.
where are you going? Where are you going? Hey, brother, can you tell me where my family went? The police are after me.
We are the police, Bucket Sinha.
Hey, he ran away. Hey, don't let him go. Something is fishy. Huh? Hey!
Hey, Jatiya!
Dad! Hey, Dad! Up! Up!
I'm coming! I'm coming!
Hey, look, there he is.
Oh! I'm coming!
Hey, why am I not going up? Looks like I've stepped on a treadmill.
Oh my goodness me.
Huh? Huh? Oh.
Hey, Tapu! Run, Tapu!
Hey, stop it! Stop it! My nose. I told you, something is fishy.
Hey, run!
Let's go, Papatlal!
Catch them!
Doctor sir, doctor, please listen. We need to change his face urgently.
Hey, what is this? I only know that the samosa has 3 corners. I used to be a bakery owner. Look, there is no doctor in the whole city. Even if a snake charmer wears a white coat, hangs a snake around his neck, he will still get the surgery done by him. Look, I will do plastic surgery. You have to choose 1 out of 4. A bucket, a mug, a chair or a table.
Right?
No, a plate or a bottle.
Put the bottle. It's small. It will be cheap.
Okay. Hey, doctor, what are you doing?
I am safe.
Here you go, your new dad.
How am I looking?
Presenting today's biggest breaking news, Mr. Shetty, the world's most dangerous criminal. Mr. Shetty, whom the police of the country have surrounded.
Oh my goodness me.
Mr. Shetty, you can't escape now.
Dad, first you were the city's criminal. Now you have become a world-level criminal.
We have surrounded this clinic from all 5 sides.
But sir, there are only 4.
We have surrounded it from above as well, na?
Hey, the police are roaming outside. How will we take that outside, huh?
Hey, let's go quickly. The ambulance is ready.
Idea!
Boy, who stole my vehicle?
See? Another crime. He is a criminal after all. Huh? I have seen him somewhere. Hey, these are the same people who stole your Jeep.
Boy, I won't spare them. Hey, stop, hey!
Hey, sorry, Dad has the face of some criminal. The police are behind us, the police.
Hey, Jetha, I will help, I swear. Good. Move away, move out. The patient is very serious. Move on.
Yes. Hey, this is the boss.
I'm safe.
You are safe here. Let's go inside. Two bosses?
Hey, hey, Dad, run!
Mortal Shetty is caught, and his hideout is found too.
Come, Dad, come. Dad! Wait, Dad!
Get here! What are you doing?
Hey, Dad, we have to quickly remove this face of yours and put on your real face. Otherwise, the police will catch you, Dad.
Let's go. Go on.
Hey,
Check here. It's okay. Do now. Do.
Now what is this?
Hey, take it down.
Oh, wow. Dad has become completely original.
Hey, hello.
Check here!
Hey, officer, we didn't steal anything. No.
Hey, we came here to say thank you to you. You people helped the police to catch a dangerous criminal. That's why.
Good. Bring the reward.
Hey, hello.